everybody, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Now who they zuzu? Now who they meze boo boo? Now who they there? Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today now first time of coming across my YouTube channel, do well to subscribe if you like wetin I dey do, so that anytime I upload that particular thing will make you subscribe to me, you go pick craze and watch. Okay, first of all, for the love with wetin I dey do. Let's go to our sister Dyna Ekwueme. I still made this video yesterday, but the quality was dull. That is why I need to delete and redo it to my beautiful, in fact, beautiful supporter people, beautiful my my beautiful supporters. Yeah, so our sister, she talk about Germany, America, Canada, this make people try to buy food stuff done. I want choke my mouth inside that particular point when our sister talk about say may we try buy food down things whether na it won't happen in my mouth though for here it will happen for the world now na America for America bank now I don't and wait till she still talk again, she talk a lot for me. My beautiful sister, now our country, our continent Africa, now you go talk to all those bank when collapse for America. So those bank government, they go get solution for it. Before you they start anything, government they approve am. Then anything happen and government will carry am. That one and for that one, okay? For that bank aspect, just for America, as far as in America, all those Western world country, now the thing for happen. Just come out your mind, say things go be done, okay? They go do things well. And secondly, when you talk about make people start to they buy food down, then I write in the comment section and say, what of somebody like me? Because I know we tell you say I get the money. What if somebody like me will not get the money? How you can't expect me now? How me will take survive when the time of that crisis starts? Then I once tried to choke my mouth inside. You know, time of COVID, a lot of people broke down. A lot of people, in fact, the panic even killed a lot of people. The COVID itself, na small. You know, see the panic, it buy a lot of people. It take a lot of people life. Why I talk and say the panic, it take a lot of people life is I use myself as example. Thank God I not get health problem. I wish I get health issue. As people called me, oh, food not there, supermarket again to buy, food not there, supermarket again to, and that month we never do any shopping down. We never buy anything. You know, say, as they tell me, as me pass this side, now some guy pass the other, we they find food for each supermarket, and so rain. My people, the panic, when you go to watch television, you go to see tissue. Sometimes I can't imagine, I say, why not they drag tissue? Human being, why not they drag tissue? No, not drag food. You don't feel use water to wash your bumbo if na something like that. People was dragging tissue. If you watch television, let me know in the comment section. All those Western, all those America, where again, when they watch there for telly, they drag tissue. My people, why I want to tell my sister Dyna Ekwueme say, this abroad, they organize their thing. They don't plan, wait, anything come, they go fit fix am, they go fit handle am. They don't, all those things when they come, so what those things when they grant, they don't plan wait now for donkey years. Now all those things, my country, my continent never know, never gets. Now make us still be third world country. We are still learning, we are still developing. You see that part where you talk, say, something go happen, this and this, China and America, they go start, this, a lot. Some things when you talk, now make me say you good for this your feed. Some things when you talk is 100% true. Talk about money. Now, you know, see money for streets now. Wait till you go see now. For my own country, where I did now, France, now check. And before this thing starts, they don't start today. The thing don't they sense they come since 2000 and what? I don't forget. When asylum seeker, they stop to they pay them. Then their money now with cards. We can't they take. Maybe they know, say, those things when they come so. All those Western world, they don't plan, they don't arrange their self. Whether now, God forbid, that kind of thing not ever happen. War, I don't want to pronounce something that happen. They prepare, wait for it. They don't already prepare. In case something like that bust, how they'll fit a maneuver. You they hear me, sis? I did make this video particular for my sister, Dyna Ekwueme. Okay, when the time of asylum, that is people when they come seek asylum, we just say they start to they give them cards. We don't know say now those things that they try to not be last, not be 2 years old. It don't say not be 3 years. Don't say they just stop to they pay them. No man before they go open account for them. government go dey pay dem in. Then because e say dem stop, dem say the account dey work o, but you no fit withdraw money. The card go use am buy things for the country. You no fit withdraw, you no fit see the euro for hand. Card na dem come dey give dem. Then this year now, when crisis full ground, government na check come dey sign give people. Workers when dey work, when dem dey do riot, you mention about France now, Paris na so no, dem dey do riot. May I clear that part for you. France dey do riot, say money when they add to their salary, government no wan give them money, they no wan add money. Wetin government dey do? Check. Government dey give each family, depend of your salary, they will give you check. After you receive your salary, they will give you check. That check you go use am buy food. That check you fit use am do anything, buy anything when you wan use am buy. Na government add put. They seize money, normal raw card, normal raw cash, but they still dey use the money. How they use money? Check. You dey see am? Check. They issue check for their citizens to take dey buy things, for their people to take dey buy things. Why I tell you say those things when you talk, e no fit ever happen again. If e even wan happen, e go hard. The time of COVID wey I dey try to talk, when food dry for supermarket, you need to hail, you need to see. If na my country, Nigeria, I no believe say by now they will still fit stand. Everybody, some people panic, they kpai there go, no be even the COVID. Some people panic, fever, automatic fever hold them, they test, they say na COVID, they kpai. The next day, food dey supermarket. My sister Dyna, they try to understand where I dey go. The next day, food dey France supermarket. Automatic organize e start. Depend of the family when you get. Every day you get right to get, like African people when they eat rice. If na be 4 member for the house, you get right to buy like 4. One by one person. Tomorrow fit still come. So that may everybody, may one person not just consume the food all the day, must say, I want to save food for house. You understand what I try to talk? I pray may you watch this my video. I will tag you. They start to they control their food. Automatic, they release some documents online. Those Western words, things, just come out for me, just come out your mind. Whether you are their citizen, whether you not be their citizen, as far you get their country, they go provide for you. If you not get their documents, maybe you be the person when you know they receive money. Association they there, when it go give you some food when you go eat. Association, that time of COVID, nobody dey inside outside again. Everybody, they make sure they shocking them. House, when they close before, they open house, leave all those Western words. God already bless them. We are still learning. I pray may my country develop rich like that. Just come out my say, if you will buy food down, how many years food when you will buy down? French people, they don't prepare this crisis when they happen now. How many years now they tell you? No be last year, no be last year, no be last year. Imagine you be the type when they buy food 5 years ago. How the food will don't be now. Now may we just pray to God. May we pray to God and may we not reach our continent, Africa. Leave all those Western words. They don't already organize themselves down. If food not Wode, they know how they will take maneuver, do everything. Food will come out. They know how they will take protect, provide for their citizens. Now we the Africa, now we the sufferer. And I pray, may our country, our continent, organize like that. Now that one I want to try to tell you, my beautiful sister. I know feel right now. The time of COVID made me fear this country. As food take come out, I was shocked. Supermarket when you go, no food. Nothing to buy. The next day, they provide food. And if you want to go buy that food, as this my quartier, this my area, you don't get right, so you take go another area. Supermarket when they close to you. If police see you, they will control you. They will, look your distance. And if you get dog, you will carry your dog come outside around your house, and it still gets how many miles when you go reach. If you get children, live abroad. My beautiful sister Dyna, I love those your content. They bring and come outside. Just leave those abroad people. May we face our continent, Africa. If our Africa develop rich like this, organized like this, I don't believe say many of us when we read this abroad go there. Nothing like home. May I play that part so that may una hear her voice when say, may una try people in the state, Jamie, this place, this thing one start. For me, if it even starts, my sister, they don't plan, wait all those things. You come tell me, say, okay, Israelites went, all those things they happen. People not they survive. Every year, every minute, they see that they attack Israel, but they are still surviving. Why? Now organization, now they organize that country. That country they organize. Imagine they attack Israel. Now say they attack Nigeria. We for don't finish now. Now they for know the country when don't they organize. They still they survive. They still they eat. Now this one I get to talk. Let me look for that part so that me I clear.
That's the number one factor you should take seriously, because it's a determinant of everything you're going to do where you are, at least until you get the passport of the country you're staying in. I don't know if I'm making any sense. Today, you're getting Onyenkuzi vibes. Bank, Signature Bank, First Republic, and which one? Credit Suisse have been I can't even remember the fourth one. 4 banks have failed in the US. 4 regional banks. I remember talking about these things, telling people, 7-year-olds in the US. By the 1st of June, the US will hit the debt ceiling. Currently, the US is in $13 trillion debt. And when it hits that ceiling, if the government doesn't do anything about it, what you're going to see is hyperinflation that will eventually lead to a depression. A depression is worse than a recession. Someone said inflation is going on around all over the world. Yes, inflation is everywhere. In Africa, even in this Saudi. I've been here 6 months now. The prices of things when we came and the prices of...
I hope now don't hear Ram. As she talk. For me, I not say what she they talk now lie. No be lie. Everywhere also. But just know, my beautiful sister, say the world, all those Americans, I think they get EG, no, they think they print money. I think they get machine, I think they grant the money. If it's too hard, they go print money. Forget all those things. If it's too hard, they go print money. Why they not print money for everywhere? Now, because I say, if you get money, me I get money. Who will come to work? Who will come do anything? Who will come take care of our old papa, our old mama? Who will come they work? Who will agree fund? That's why government they no control. If they say the thing don't too hard, they go grant the money, they go print the money for everywhere. Except they don't want just print the money, they want everybody by maybe as God wants to take call us home. Now we day so enter, now we day so. For me, I know they panic and I know fit say wait till you talk now lie, but I just let you the purpose of me doing this video. Any part of the Europe abroad, when you know say you they depend of the abroad, they are well organized. They are well organized. That America, when they talk, so the time of COVID, a lot of people will still testify, say, government not just leave them like that. Government provide for them. Those Western world, just forget about it. They, in fact, that bank when you can't just now, government, they involve, they go pay them back. Okay, my sister, it not be our Africa, our continent, or our Nigeria. My people, now this one I just try to tell our people so that may some people you not get that mind, may they see, manage that part. Maybe they don't just broke down. Say, oh, my sister, don't talk. Oh, our sister Dyna Ekwueme say the world is coming. Maybe we start to buy food. Or that food aspect, I find the video. I not feel pick. I not feel the fine. If you go her house, go watch a 1-hour video. Okay. Now this one get to talk. Till I meet you now in my next video. Do where to join this beautiful family. If you like what I do, okay. If you like what I do, subscribe. If you never see waiting go make you subscribe, no worry. See the eye me. Then when you can't subscribe, say one day once you subscribe. Anytime I upload that favorite when make you subscribe, one that must definitely still upload and say that you will still come back to watch my video. I appreciate all my returning, all my subscribers, all my supporters, all my sisters. I appreciate you guys. I'm loyal, I'm humble. May the good Lord bless you all. Please give me like, thumbs up for me, subscribe for when you like, okay? I will see you in my next video. Do it to go down and put me now this one I get to talk now who did
for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any